Here I am with my cup of tea, connecting with nature and having my quiet time. This time for me is non-negotiable. Welcome to our channel Plants Crochet Cooking and more. This is the time when I make a quick summary of what I need to do the whole day. Well, today I have been invited for Ramayan Path, so my daughter and I will be going there. Next, we will be meeting at my friend's place that is in the same society itself in another block.
जय किसान रो समय से साघव गुण करे धनि दाव दय के तसमय सब लय के कुंभ करण सब सेवत ने के पराकार लगी परिकावति में कुपल कुछ जगे गाऊं बंदव खल जस जैस दूसरो सा सहस बदन वर नहीं गए दोसा बाबू थोड़ा सा लाइट जला दो
It is believed that Ramayan Path is done at home for peace, prosperity, and happiness within the family. My daughter sat with the prasad, and she is Mugdha, and it is her flat where this Ramayan Path is being held. Such an auspicious occasion. Really feel at peace here. Thank you, Mugdha, for inviting us. अगुड़ प्रसंग सुगंधर रसाई अनित भेद वस्तु भली बड़नी राम कथा जग मंगल करनी. We are back home now, and since we attended the Ramayan Path, I decided to make our special lunch a vegetarian one, and in which I am going to use no onion and there's going to be no garlic in it. And this is Chhana'r Kofta curry that I'm going to make. Chhana is the cottage cheese. Once the milk curdles, you strain that whey out, and then what remains is the chana. So you make that into small balls by adding a few spices and then fry it till this color, light golden. Keep it aside. Now into the same oil you add some gota masala into it. When you will get the light fragrance from this gota masala, you add the 3 medium potatoes that you have chopped and fry it till it turns slightly golden. Then you add tomato into it, chop it into pieces and add a pinch of salt. Stir it for some time and cover it so that it turns mushy quickly. Now here I am mixing the spices. I'll be adding a little water to the spices to make it into a paste. And then when the tomato has turned mushy, I'm going to add this spices paste into it. And then fry it for some time till it starts to leave the oil from the sides. Once that is done, I'm going to add water into it and let it come to a rolling boil. Potato is nearly done, it seems. Now is the time for me to add the koftas very gently in. Make sure that you don't stir the koftas too vigorously, otherwise they will break. Gently stir it and then cover it for 5 minutes. Cook it for 5 minutes, and then you see you add some garam masala and ghee on top, and it's ready to serve. So well, this was our special lunch menu. I made dal and jackfruit curry as well. So this is what we had for lunch. Well, this much for today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing. We bring to you interesting videos every day, and our video topics are regarding plants, cooking, crocheting, cake designing, and many more. So stay connected, and yes, thank you for watching our video till the end. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Till we meet again, it is bye-bye.